Just a little. Just a little. No doubt about it.
Hey, 127, you're definitely being heard though, for sure. Throwing it down. Hey, good evening time over there.
I don't know. 127 stepped out. He might be back. 127 had to step out. Hey, 351. Hey, 351. You 127. Me 714.
Right there, 127. Take care. Let me get out of the way. And there's some other stations getting in there. They're pretty strong too. Probably run a lot more power than I am. But hey, 127, take care. Yo, 351, Sam Powell. Back quiet.
351. Now you all the way in the corner, 351, 2 guns. Yeah, guess not. Just one more time for the bunch of dogs. How are they, Big Daddy?
It just goes to show you, if you got a decent antenna and all, you can get it out there really well, you know. Just running this 120 volt plug in the wall box here, nothing big. Just driving it with just my radio. Hey, y'all take care. Y'all 351 waving and gone.
351, 351, 007, 351, 21, Delaware, caller.
007, 21, 202, 2 guns, 127. Everybody throwing it down, man. I'm just waving right back.
Hey, Drew. Roger, 351, appreciate it, man. Have a phone down there. We'll catch you when I'm a little bit stronger. 21, Delaware State, I'm down.
Now, 21, you got my radio, tell you the truth, man. You're throwing it down real strong. Just got Mother Nature for sure, because we don't get Delaware that much. But you can check it out when I post up this video gate on 351 Radio on YouTube.
Hello, 351. I appreciate that. Appreciate it for sure. I enjoy that. 351. Hey, 351, there's a DC and it don't stand for Washington. Bye, bye, bye. 351, you run a good video gate. You're 127, you walk it back out.
So many of them out there, I could barely call everybody's numbers back without getting long-winded.
He's over here in the Big Bad Dogs, East River, Whitestone Bridge. 202, Crazy Bass, checking this funky mail.
Hey, Crazy Bass, that's working for you this evening.
Thanks, Lane. I guess he's working today. I guess my radio, my thing is working right about now. Sure is. Good Shannon radio's coming up out of San Paul this evening. East River, Whitestone. Knock that out of your Google. Knock that out of your Google. Oh, yeah, we're up here in Maryland. Number 1 man in Maryland got down.
Hey, number 1 man, you throwing it down also back here southeast corner on 351, trying to get in that receiver.
Hey, 351, you don't have to work real hard. All you got to do is keep on doing what you're doing, because you're doing it real fine up here in Maryland. Maryland standing by. Yep. Ricky Dink Radio.
That's not a rinky-dink radio. Everybody's just throwing it down. You can check out the video gate on 351 Radio on YouTube when I finally get it posted up. Okay, well, 502 in there. Let me get out of the way, man. I don't want to keep throwing it down, but hey, y'all take care. Y'all 351. It's 10-7 gone.
Have a good night there, 351.